Students, today we are organizing class LKG's Science. The book name for LKG Science is Junior Science for Kids. You are seeing the front view of that book. First of all, I would like to appreciate in next class LKG. Please see the picture of lesson 1 in your book. The title of lesson 1 is About Me, means it will give you detail about yourself, knowing yourself is true wisdom. Good children introduce themselves with great confidence. Who are good children? The children who introduce themselves with great confidence are known as good children. Now see the picture in which left side there is a picture of girl with blank space in which you have to affix your photograph, and then on the right side there is a picture of a boy, so you have to affix your recent photograph here. Okay students, the next one figure in which on the left a boy is denoted as a picture, then next right, here is a blank space. Here you have to write your name. Please write your name here, and then another boy is also there on the right side. Now come to the lower portion of this page. Here is a picture of a girl with blank space, your sister's name. So please write your sister's name here in the blank space. Okay, then your brother's name. Here is another picture of a boy with a display of blank display in which your brother's name should be written. Then again a picture of a boy. Here you have to write your cousin's name. Then this is the last picture in which a girl is carrying a blank space board in which you have to write your cousin's name. Okay students, I think all of you got my points and understood all the things what you have to do. So this is the first page of About Me. Please do this work with the help and assistance of your parents. After first chapter, on the next back page there is a sub chapter. The title is Time to Revise, means you have to revise the portion from your last class. Okay students, look at the pictures and tick the correct answers. In the first picture, there is a blank space with the photo of a girl student, and on the right side there is a photo of boy student. So please make a tick in the circle. If you are a girl, please mention a tick mark in the front of girl student, and if you are a boy, you have to mark a tick in the circle space near boy. Okay students, the next picture is my hair looks like. So you just see your hairstyle in the 5 figures, in which red hairstyles, there are 2 red hairstyles, they are shown as girls hairstyle, and on the left and lower portion there are 3 black hairstyles, they are belonging to boys. So please match your hairstyle with these figures and mark a tick here. I am again telling you, please do this exercise with the help and assistance of your parents. The color of my hair is, there is a 2 types of color in this figure. One is the black one with circular blank space, and other one is brown with circular blank space. So mark in this figure according your color of hairs. Write the number of candles you will put on your birthday cake this year. There is a rectangular blank space with a right figure of birthday cake, on which there are some specification of happy birthday. So here you have to write the number of candles that you will put on your birthday cake this year. How much candles you will put on this birthday cake? You will put candles according your age. Suppose this is your 4th birthday, you will put 4 candles here. Okay, now the color of my eyes in the next come to next figure. The color of my eyes is, there are 4 figures, there are 2 figures, means there are 4 figures. Okay, there are 4 figures in pair of eyes. You see the first one, then next second, then next third, and then next fourth. The first one is black, the second one is blue, the third one is brown, and the fourth one is green. So please mark a tick on the circular space. Okay students, this is all about your lesson. Your lesson are chapter 1 and the exercise on the back of chapter 1, time to revise. I am again reminding you, please do this exercise with the help of your parents. Thank you.